you got to hear it to believe it. Hey you guys, Micah here with Bavsound, and I am in the company M3 listening to the final version of our new Revenant Pro amplifier. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the bass enhancement feature. It's a unique feature to our amplifier, and it's really extraordinary. This video is going to be a little technical, so you've got to understand a couple of things. But first I'll start with what's the problem, right? The problem in most BMWs is that as you move through the volume range, at lower volumes, the bass is kind of thin and weak, and you really have to crank it up to actually get the kind of bass response that you would want. What we've done is we have actually integrated technology into the amplifier chipset that does this automatically and dynamically, and we've tuned it for you using our expertise. Basically, what the technology does is it dynamically adds harmonic frequencies, bass harmonics, to the primary note of the music or to bass elements. And by doing that, it always sounds super clear, super clean, totally natural. It's completely transparent. So you get an exceptionally clean listening experience, but really full, rich bass at any volume, and it's always transparent. The other thing that it does is it really maximizes the performance of the drivers that are in the vehicle. So whatever your car is equipped with, it's going to really take it all the way to the limit of what those speakers can produce and give you the best possible sound quality. So it's not something that you're going to find in, commonly available other amplifiers on the marketplace. It's one of the things that makes our amp so exceptional.